Hello everyone. Welcome to the introduction session on data science. In this video, I will be discussing about the importance of data science course, data science as a career, and the need or demand of data science in future. Have you always dreamt of becoming a data scientist? If you have, then here is a guide to help you fulfill your dream. If you're still in a doubt about choosing the right career, watch this video till the end to understand how data science is the right career option for you. Humans will continue producing data, hence data science has a remarkable future. It has been the fastest growing sector since the last decade. Being a data science consultant myself, I'm going to show you the scope and future of data science in 2021. Now you may ask me, why is data science so much in demand? Well, the answer is quite simple. Data is a thing that will last longer than the systems themselves. I'm sure you will agree with that. Every single organization is data-driven as their entire business depends on analyzing the data for best decision making. Additionally, data science tools and methods help to make decisions, identify a potential client base, and for better targeting. Every organization has understood that to make their data more productive and result-oriented, they require a skilled person. This is the right time to start your career in data science. Moreover, data science jobs are highly interesting and not traditional. But what is this data science? Well, data science is a huge pool of various data operations, and they involve machine learning and statistics. Machine learning algorithms are dependent on data, and we as data scientists use the common tools like R, SAS, and Python. Data science uses scientific methods that help in processing, cleaning, and verification of the data. You will be surprised to know that the starting salary for data scientists is $165,000. Now let me help you understand data science with a few examples here. So you go on a few web portals, on social media, e-commerce. The reason I'm showing you these is because they all use the common factor, which is data science. A commonly used device is your phone. The facial recognition feature on your phone is nothing but data science. Additionally, if you have flashback pictures or videos, or even completing a friendsversary with someone on Facebook, they all use data science. If you see on the Facebook portal, whereas on the Netflix web portal, you can watch e-shows. This works on the Netflix algorithm, which will show you the best shows. If you look at this one, this is an Amazon portal, which has quite a few products. And when you end up buying those products, you're going to get suggestions for different or similar products. Now this is called as recommendation. So data science use cases are recommendation features, customer segmentation, predictive analytics, fraud detection, etc. Another thing is, when you get an email, it will be detected as fraud. If the mail is spam, it will obviously go to the spam folder. If not, it will stay in the inbox. So let's talk about the technical terms and the technical terminologies of data science. Data science technology. In computing, data is information that has been translated into a form that is efficient for movement or processing. Data can exist in a variety of forms as numbers or text, on pieces of paper as bits and bytes stored in electronic memory, or as facts and figures stored in a person's mind. Data science is a process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data. Data science is a multi-dimensional field that uses mathematics, statistics, predictive modeling and machine learning techniques to find meaningful patterns and business insights from recorded data. What data is in the 21st century is what oil was in the 18th century. Yes, the next big thing in the digital universe is nothing but data science. This massively unexploited and untapped valuable asset is giving rise to a new economy. Not only that, data science is highly versatile in nature, but there is a better target audience and bigger opportunities in data science. We must have a basic idea of that. You must have domain knowledge along with having business sense. When it comes to technical skills, you need to have communication as well as storytelling skills. And then come the technical skills like MS Excel, SQL, R, machine learning. Now, why should one choose a Council of Education and Development Programs to do the data science course? Well, Council of Education and Development Programs have partnered with NSDC and IISC, that is India International Skills Center, to offer the most advanced skill and career growth courses in healthcare, hospitality, automobile and aviation. There is classroom, practical and theory. On-the-job training and industrial visits are a part of the extensive life training where students get hands-on experience. Over 18,000 students have been trained at CDP who are working in various hospitals, labs, automobile industries, hotels in India and abroad. With a strong presence in Mumbai, we have a sprawling state-of-the-art campus in Thane, Bandra, Kurla, Vasai, Pune and now in Kolhapur as well. Why should one choose to take up data science as a course at CDP? Well, the syllabus is designed by the industry experts. The students get hands-on live training by industry professionals. Capstone projects and case studies for each and every module that we learn. They get a practice on resume building and interview preparation. Also, they get placement assistance. So you can see these are all the benefits of doing a course with CDP on data science. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have any questions, please visit our website or call on our toll-free number. Thank you.